Okay, this is part 2. It's line 18A 3L, part 2, Alien UFO Engine Contact Message, NASA Physicist Scientist Wow Seti. Take data, look at keywords plus mathematical functions and put them together. Then add what's in the next video and so on. With keywords, you want to look for a pattern of repetition. This is a message from the universe that it wants you to pay close attention to. I believe if you take these data subjects, along with all theories, inventions, patents, and PDF files mentioned, it will help you achieve your goals and give you better test results than you currently have. Most of the videos take keywords and decipher them. For those of us, including myself, who do not know what it means. You who are well educated and understand this terminology need to put aside all past theorems, calculations, and formulas and use this data to formulate new equations. You will develop the same technology that the alien UFO engines have. Your satellites, probes, and space projects can benefit from this worldwide project. Basically, the alien message is to join as one body in mind. All scientists and physicists need to sit down together in conference and look at the data together. This way you can fill in the blanks and add the most recent technology and test results to the equations, saving you time and money as you develop new things to explore the universe that we all live in. There is much to learn and many new ideas to grasp. You will find it difficult to think outside of the box at first, but many of your forefathers dared to be different. Look at what they accomplished. You can do the same and more. The Idea Girl.